Mastering New Technology, a YouTube channel for your technological journey. Introduction. In this digital era, staying up to date with new technology is crucial for personal and professional growth. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a curious learner, or someone looking to make the most of the latest gadgets and software, having a reliable resource to guide you through the complexities of new technology is invaluable. This is where a dedicated YouTube channel comes in. In this article, we'll explore the benefits of a YouTube channel focused on helping users navigate new technology and discuss the various types of content that can be included to make it a valuable resource. Benefits of a YouTube channel. 1. Visual and interactive learning. YouTube provides an excellent platform for visual and interactive learning. Through video tutorials and demonstrations, viewer can grasp concepts quickly and see new technology in action. This dynamic approach enhances comprehension and ensures a more engaging learning experience. 2. Accessibility. YouTube is accessible to a wide range of users, making it an inclusive platform for disseminating knowledge. People from diverse backgrounds and varying levels of expertise can access the content anytime and anywhere, as long as they have an internet connection. 3. Community interaction. A YouTube channel fosters a sense of community by allowing viewers to interact through comments, likes, and shares. Users can ask questions, provide feedback, and engage in discussions, creating a collaborative environment where knowledge can be shared and expanded upon. Content ideas for a new technology YouTube channel. 1. Product reviews and recommendations. One of the most popular types of content on YouTube is product reviews. For a new technology-focused channel, reviews of the latest devices, software, and gadgets can help viewers make informed decisions before purchasing. The reviews should provide an overview of features, performance assessments, and comparisons with similar products, ensuring viewers have all the necessary information to make the right choice. 2. Tutorials and how-to guides. New technology often comes with a learning curve. Creating tutorials and how-to guides can help viewers navigate the intricacies of new software, devices, or platforms. Whether it's setting up a smart home, mastering a new operating system, or using advanced software tools, step-by-step tutorials can simplify complex processes and empower viewers to utilize the technology to its fullest potential. 3. Explainer videos. New technologies can sometimes be difficult to understand, especially for those who are not tech-savvy. Explainer videos can break down complex concepts and terminologies into easily digestible content. By using visual aids, animations, and clear explanations, viewers can grasp the fundamental principles behind new technologies without feeling overwhelmed. 4. Tech news and updates. Technology is ever evolving, and staying up to date is crucial. Creating videos that cover the latest tech news, product releases, and industry updates can keep viewers informed about the advancements in the field. These videos can provide insights, analysis, and predictions, allowing viewers to stay ahead of the curve. 5. Q&A sessions and live streams. Hosting Q&A sessions and live streams enables direct interaction with viewers. This format allows users to ask questions, seek clarification, and receive real-time responses. It also fosters a sense of community and encourages viewers to actively participate in discussions. Conclusion. A YouTube channel dedicated to helping users navigate new technology is an invaluable resource in today's fast-paced digital world. By combining visual learning, interactive content, and community engagement, such a channel can provide viewers with the tools and knowledge they need to embrace and master new technologies. Whether through tutorials, reviews, or explainer videos, the channel can empower viewers to stay informed, make informed decisions, and make the most of the latest advancements. So, if you're looking to embark on a technological journey, subscribing to a reliable YouTube channel is an excellent place to start. Thanks for watching.